Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Aston Martin is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after vehicles in the James Bond universe, and now, you can build your very own piece of cinematic history with this incredible Lego set, bringing the thrilling world of espionage and high-speed chases right into your living room for an unparalleled building and display experience. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built replica is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed cafe studio and bring your favorite characters to life. With Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, you can recreate unforgettable scenes. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect gift for any fan looking for a unique building challenge. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Let your creativity soar as you build your own unique models and craft new stories. Standing over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's a fantastic display piece for any room or office. What we like. If you're a die-hard Friends fan, this set is a must-have. It perfectly captures the iconic Central Perk Cafe with all your favorite characters. You should choose this if you love reliving those hilarious moments and want a nostalgic display piece for your home. What people say. The Aston Martin DB5 is a fantastic replica, with many authentic details like the rotating number plates and the ejector seat. The build quality is excellent, and the finished model looks stunning on display. It's a great addition for any James Bond fan. Number 4. LEGO Ideas International Space Station 21321. Challenge your construction skills with this incredible display model. Discover authentic details as you build, including rotating solar panels and opposable Canadarm2. This model comes with a stand, astronaut microfigures, a space shuttle, and cargo spacecrafts. Create a spectacular display and rekindle nostalgic memories of childhood projects. The set includes a booklet filled with fascinating facts about the International Space Station. Learn about the fan creator, LEGO designer, and the 10th anniversary of the LEGO Ideas theme. This is a super treat for yourself or a great gift idea for space fans and experienced builders. It offers hours of creative fun, whether built solo or with friends. This building kit for adults makes a beautiful display model. It's designed to catch the eye of every passerby, showcasing your passion for space. With 864 pieces, this set provides hours of engaging building. It's perfect for anyone aged 16 and up who enjoys a creative challenge. What we like. For the aspiring astronaut or space enthusiast, this offers an incredible building experience. It features authentic details and comes with a booklet full of fascinating facts. If you're looking for a challenging build that doubles as a stunning display, this is the one for you. What people say. The Aston Martin DB5 is a fantastic replica, capturing the iconic design of the car. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy pieces that fit together well. It features several clever play features, like the ejector seat and rotating number plates, which are a lot of fun. Number 3. LEGO Speed Champions 007 Aston Martin DB576911. Get ready to build an iconic replica of James Bond's Aston Martin DB5. This set brings the thrill of movie action right to your fingertips. Relive epic races and create your own thrilling adventures. This detailed car model is perfect for both play and display. The set comes with a special LEGO minifigure of James Bond, dressed in his signature black suit. A toy wrench accessory is also included for added fun. Use the interactive building instructions app to view the model from every angle as you assemble it. It makes building easier and more engaging. Looking for a great gift? This iconic car model kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for kids aged 8 and up, and fans of James Bond. This replica features a detailed model of the famous grey Aston Martin. It includes realistic elements like silver spoke alloy wheel inserts and interchangeable license plates. What we like. This is the perfect choice for fans of James Bond and iconic cars. It's a detailed replica of the Aston Martin DB5, complete with a Bond minifigure. If you love action movies and want a cool, playable model that also looks great on display, this is your ideal pick. What people say. The Aston Martin DB5 is a fantastic replica of the iconic car. The details are incredibly accurate, capturing the essence of the movie car. It features several working gadgets, just like in the film, which are a lot of fun to play with. Number 2. LEGO Creator Expert James Bond Aston Martin DB510262. Experience the thrill of building the legendary James Bond Aston Martin DB5. This model is packed with exclusive details and iconic 007 gadgetry. Discover amazing features like a raisable bullet shield, a working ejection seat, and a rotating license plate. It's a true collector's item. This meticulously detailed car model makes a stunning centerpiece for any home or office. Its impressive size will surely capture attention. With 1295 pieces, this advanced building set is perfect for fans aged 16 and up, as well as dedicated car collectors and adult enthusiasts. This incredible set integrates seamlessly with all other original LEGO sets and building blocks, allowing for endless creative construction possibilities. What we like. This is for the serious collector and the ultimate 007 fan. It's a large, detailed replica of the Aston Martin DB5 with all its famous gadgets. If you appreciate intricate building and want a show-stopping centerpiece that celebrates a cinematic icon, this advanced set is for you. Number 1. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop and townhouse, brimming with details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story model features a display window, bookshelves, a cozy reading nook, and living spaces. It's designed to be built and displayed with pride. 5 minifigures are included to populate this collector's toy, adding a vibrant touch to the detailed interior and exterior. This set is a fantastic addition to the ever-growing modular building series. Combine it with other sets to create your own amazing street scenes. With 2,504 pieces, this advanced building set makes an inspirational gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for those aged 16 and up. Measuring over 11 inches high, this buildable model stands out on its own. It also looks incredible as part of a larger street scene collection. What we like. If you enjoy detailed architectural builds and creating your own cityscapes, this is an excellent option. It offers a charming bookshop and townhouse with rich interior details. You should consider this if you're looking for an advanced building project that can be integrated into a larger LEGO street scene. What people say. The Aston Martin DB5 is a fantastic replica, with many authentic details like the rotating number plates, ejector seat, and machine guns. The build quality is excellent, and the finished model looks stunning on display. It's a great set for both LEGO fans and James Bond enthusiasts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.